In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your Sweat crypto from Sweatcoin to your KuCoin wallet. First, open the Sweatcoin or Sweat Wallet app on your phone and make sure you've already created your Sweat crypto wallet inside the app. If you haven't, follow the prompts to set it up and back up your recovery phrase. Next, you need a KuCoin deposit address for Sweat. Open the KuCoin app, log in, and tap Assets at the bottom. Tap Deposit, search for Sweat, then choose the correct network shown in both KuCoin and your Sweat wallet. Copy the Sweat deposit address KuCoin gives you. Now go back to your Sweat wallet. Open your Sweat balance, tap Send or Transfer, and paste the KuCoin deposit address you just copied. Enter the amount of Sweat you want to withdraw. Check any network fee and minimum amount, then confirm the transaction. After the transfer is processed on-chain, your Sweat will appear in KuCoin under Assets to Crypto Balance. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.